Hey guys, welcome back to Night Parade. So where I left off, I drained out all the fluids on this Suzuki Boulevard C50. I also took apart the stator cover, and the gasket was pretty worn in there, so I'm gonna replace that with a brand new gasket. I've got all new oil for the shaft drive, obviously for the engine. I have a new fuel pump for the tank, which we managed to remove most of the rust. And another video on that coming later. I also went ahead and looked at all the fuses that are in this box. It was covered up by like these chrome pieces or whatever, so we didn't even know that these fuses existed. Super noob, super noob mistake. All right, motherfuckers. This is the moment of truth. After all these fucking days of work, what do you have to say for this fucking asshole motherfucking bike?
I pray to God Diablo works. That's it.
All right, tell them why you named this bike Diablo.
This bike is named Diablo because when I first bought it, it gave me so many problems. It gave me hell. Diablo.
It put this motherfucker through hell. Oh shit! Here, you do it. Oh. Do the honors, motherfucker.
Yeah, this is scary, bro.
Let me stand back just in case it explodes. Oh, the lights are on.
Lights on?
You gotta put that bitch in neutral. Oh shit.